Breakthrough Thinking is one of our workshop products, so it takes 4 different areas of creative thinking and builds it into a complete one-day workshop that a trainer could use with a group of up to 16 people. In 4 different modules, they're looking at things like the concepts of problem definition, they're looking at creative thinking, and lots of areas to do with innovation. The key learning areas for participants would be to practice some of these breakthrough thinking skills and looking at how do you come up with creative ideas, coaching for innovation, and a number of other aspects allied to creative thought. The workshop's built in 4 flexible modules, so the trainer can choose to use any one of these modules or run them as planned, following the PowerPoint slides and the full facilitator guides and workbooks that are provided. The learners get a lot of things if they follow the full one-day workshop, from rehearsing and planning maybe some novel creative thinking ideas right through to working on a particular live project at the end of the day.